Hi, y'all. Say hi, James. Well, y'all, I was supposed to have surgery today, but that has been rescheduled for Friday. This is Monday. No, this is Tuesday, I'm sorry. So, James is putting in a new door. And we're also going to have a screen door in there. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the cinnamon rolls. Okay, guys. Now, what I did, I mixed up a batch of the artisan bread dough that I did last week, only I cut it in half. So in here we've got 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 cups of hot water. I mixed that up good. I put saran wrap over it and a towel over it, and I let that set and rise for 2 hours. No. So now we're going to move ahead from there. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to knead this just a couple times. More than you would the artisan bread. We want this to be smooth. Okay, that's good. See how soft that is and smooth? What we're going to do is we're going to start rolling this out. Okay, we're going to start stretching it out. And when I get this all stretched out where I want it, which will take a few minutes, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I've got it all rolled out. What you want to do, you want to take softened butter. You want to smear it all over. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands, and I'll be right back.
Look at this dough.
Okay, guys. Now what you want to do, you want to take some brown sugar. Uh-oh. And I like a lot of brown sugar. I don't know about y'all, but I love brown sugar. Now, what I want to tell y'all is, if you wanted to, you could take fresh sliced apples and put on this, along with pumpkin pie spice. That has got such good spices in it. Just sprinkle it on there with the apples and the brown sugar and the butter and roll that up. Oh, now we're talking. But these are cinnamon rolls, so we're going to use cinnamon. play it by ear, guys. Depending on how much you like cinnamon. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to roll these up. It's so easy to do. See how big and fat that is? That's what you want. Right there. Now I have sprayed this pan with some Pam. We're going to get a sharp knife. And you want something serrated. You just go slice them up. And you want them nice and thick. You just want to put them in there. Okay, when I've got all this done, we'll bring you back. Okay, guys, here's what we ended up with. We've got 15 cinnamon rolls here and 2 end pieces in another one. So that's 17 altogether. Now, I've left these rise probably about 15 minutes, and I'm going to let them rise probably another 5 minutes. And then I'm going to stick them in a 400-degree oven. And when I bring them out, I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all. I just took them out of the oven. They were in for 28 minutes. Look how that one raised up. They're so cute. Okay, now for the glaze, what I did was I mixed up some powdered sugar, vanilla, and a little bit of milk until I got to this consistency. Now when these cool, I'm going to bring you back to put the glaze on. Okay, y'all, getting that glaze on there.
That's good enough to eat.
Really?
That's enough for me. What are y'all gonna do?
Okay, guys, there you have it. There is the cinnamon roll video I promised. And we will see you on the next one. Okay, y'all. They are all finished and ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And I hope you try them. So for now, y'all have a blessed day.